whenever you mine it is we're trying to add random numbers to whatever the block is so that we get a special ending. For example, let's say we're trying to mine this. X pays Y $50, A pays B $50, and Y pays H $15. You'll get this as the output. Now, this is what Bitcoin is doing. We ask ourselves, what number do we have to add to the end of that list to get a 0 at the end of the hash? Well, if we start at 0, and then we check it with 1, and then we check it with 2, and we use my little Python program, we figure out that it takes 3 different checks to get to the first one, which is when you put a 2 at the end of it. Now, let's make it a little harder. Let's try 2 zeros at the end of the hash. After running my little Python miner, we figure out it takes 438 tries until you hit the first hash that ends with 00. And lastly, just to drive the topic home that it takes a lot more time to find these hashes, let's look at how many times we have to guess for it to get 5 zeros. If we run the program, we get a huge number. So as we look for more zeros, it takes a lot more time to check it. And essentially, Bitcoin is looking for a lot of zeros, and computers all around the world and mining farms are mining away to find the right number. When they do, we say that that block is solved and verified, but we'll get into that in a little bit. The next thing